Hi everyone, I'm Jerry and I was just sent this really nice cocktail smoker set. This works great for smoking any kind of your alcoholic beverages, and this kit comes with 6 different types of wood and also comes with the smoker itself and a lot of other neat little features in this kit here. Inside the kit, it actually comes with your 6 different kinds of wood chips. So you've got apple, pecan, cherry, you've got a mesquite, hickory, and an oak. You also get your actual smoker unit here with the lid. It does have a removable little metal chamber here that you're going to put those wood chips in, and then the cap to cover that over, and it'll allow the smoke to come out there. This can fit a variety of different sizes of cups. I got a larger cup here. You can place it on a larger cup if you wanted to, or a smaller size cup like a cocktail glass like that. We're going to go ahead and also show you that it comes with this little cleaning brush, the actual butane torch, which is a very nice butane torch. Now this does not come with the butane. You have to load your own butane into the bottom, which I've already pre-done. But this is a very nice heavy-duty butane torch, and also does come with a little scooper. We're going to go ahead and use some cherry wood on this and just show you how this is going to work here. These little woods unscrew. So we got the cherry wood here. We're going to go ahead and take our little scooper and going to put a little bit in the bottom there of this smoker. And then I'm going to go ahead and take this part here. I'm going to unlock it and get it turned on here. And we're just going to go ahead and light that bottom part there. And get that nice and cold going on. You can see the smoke coming down in here. See that? And then we'll go ahead and cap that off. And let all that smoke sit in there like that. And that's going to kind of infuse that with that smoked cherry wood down in there. And then whenever you're done, you normally I'd let this sit for a little bit, but we're going to show you when you're done. You of course can pull this off, and you've got your smoked little cocktail there, which is really pretty cool. And that would give that, it's a really good smell to that, kind of infused in there, which is a really neat, tasty treat.